Underground garage cleaning is a challenge in Western Washington with all the surface water laws. Jet City is the only company using the Cyclone 5500 to safely clean surfaces with no runoff or residue. This technology uses hot water and 135-mile-an-hour wind to scour clean surfaces. The air lifts the debris off the surface, which is contained, and the water recycled by a multi-stage filtration system. This filters out contaminants and reuses the clean water, leaving no runoff and complying with city regulations. The Cyclone 5500 is 6 feet 6 inches high and can fit in most garages. In garages it won't fit, we can use our American Lincoln Ride-On Scrubber, which scrubs and washes surfaces. We also have our Cyclone 3500, which we manually push and also uses Cyclone technology. No matter the garage, we have the right machine for the job. Call a vendor you can trust. Jet City Cleaning, 425-745-3031.